Hello everyone. This problem has been asked in GATE 2015 session 2. It is of 2 marks. The problem says that a Boolean function is to be implemented using an 8x1 multiplexer where A is MSV and the inputs A, B, C are connected to the select inputs S2, S1, S0 of the multiplexer respectively. Which one of the following options give the correct inputs to the pins? Correct inputs to the pin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in order. And the options are given here. So for this problem is from analog and digital circuit subject. And if you want to have a detailed concept behind this problem, you can kindly refer this NPTEL course, Digital Electronic Circuits, especially this lecture number 16 and so on, Multiplexer Part 1 by Professor Gautam Saha, Department of E and EC Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. The YouTube link is also given over here. So before we begin to solve this problem, let us have some quick concept about the 8x1 multiplexer. So as we all know that in the 8x1 multiplexers, there are total 8 inputs A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. And there are 3 select lines, that is S1, S, S2, S2, S1, S0. So here is slightly mistake. So this is S2 and this is S1 and S0, where S2 is MSB and the single output is maximum MSB means maximum significant bit and LSB means least significant bit, and the single output, that is Y. This is output. So we are having 8 inputs and one output, and there are 3 select lines. So based on the select lines, whatever the values at the select lines, it will choose the among the inputs. The output choose among the inputs. If suppose at the select lines it is 0, 0, 0, then the output will go to A7 like this. So it will select the A7. And if the select lines values are 0, 0, 1, then it will select the A1. Sorry. If this select lines values are 0, 0, 0, then it will select the A0, this one. And if the select lines values are 0, 0, 1, then it will select the A1. Correspondingly, it will move towards this one. So these are the select lines. And where this S2 is MSB, that MSB means most significant bit, and LSB means least significant bit. Most significant bit, and this LSB means least significant bit. So this is about the 8x1 multiplexers. Now let us see the problem, what the problem says. Now let us solve the problem. So here if we see that we have to implement this function using 8x1 multiplexer. So the function is given where the max terms of the function are given. So we have to first it convert into min terms. Solution. we have to represent this function whose max term of the function is given. Given things are max terms. Max terms of function are, so max terms of function are f a b c d. So it will be represented like this: 1, 5, 12, 15. Therefore, from this max terms of function, we can write the min terms of function. The min terms of function can be written from can be written from max terms as, so if a b c d, so we can write summation m, these are min terms. 0, 1 is written here, so 2, 3, 4, 5 is in max term, so 4, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is in max term, so 13, 14. So these are the min terms. Now we have to represent this function. We have to implement this function using 8 cross 1 multiplexer, where these select lines are connected to the inputs ABC. So these select lines are connected. So S2 is MSB, and this is connected to A, and S1 is connected to B, and S0 is connected to C. So this is LSB. So we can make one table based on this, like based on the select lines. So A bar, B bar, C bar. So it is 0, 0, 0. And these are, first is, you can take it as I naught. So if all this ABC is represented as 0, 0, so it will go to I0. And this is I1, this is input lines, I2, and so on, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7. So you can also write like this is I0. So I1 will be A bar, B bar, C. So it is 0, 0, 1, and 0, 1, 0 will be A bar, B, C bar, 0, 1, 1, 1, double 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this will represent A bar, BC, A, BC bar, B bar, C bar, A, B bar, C, AB, C bar, and it is ABC. So this is corresponding to input line I1, this is I2, this is I3, this is I4, this is I5, this is I6, this is I7. Now in this side we will make the D, where this means what this I0, I1, will come out. So take first as D bar, that is 0, and D, that is 1. So if we see here, now we have to highlight the mean terms in this table. So how we can highlight the terms? Like this a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar means it is 0. So this value is 0. This value will be 2. So a bar, b bar, c, d bar means this value is 2. So this is 2, this is 1. A bar, b bar, c, d bar, d is 1. This will be 3. This value is 3. This value is 4. This value is 5. This value is 6. This value is 7. This value is 8. This value is 9. This value is 10. This value is 11. This value is 12. This value is 13. This value is 14. And if all 1, then it means 15. Now from the min terms, we have to make it 1 0. So here 0, 0 value is 1. So let us make it with different color. So this value is 1 and 1 is max term, so it will be 0. 2 is min term 1, 3 is min term 1, 4 is min term, 5 is 0, 6 is min term, 7 is 1, 8 is 1, 9 is 1, 10 is 1, 11 is 1, 12 is min term, so it will 0, 13 is, so 12 is max term, so it will 0, 13 will be min term, 14 will be min term, 15 will be max term, so it will 0. Now if we see the what should be the select line so that it will represent the flowing function. So what should be the I note? Here we can see that I note should be D bar. Then it will take the value 0, right? And here you can see that I1 value should be 1. If A bar, B bar, C is this one, that is it goes to I1, then at that time it should come 1, so that it take both values 2 and 3. And again, when the select lines is the output selected as the select lines I2, then it should come as D bar, so that we can get this 4 value at the output. And here when the output is selected as I3, it should be 1. And when the output selected at I4, it should be 1. When the output selected at I5, it should be 1. And when the output is selected at I6, it should be D, so that we get the output, we get this min terms 13. And when the when this ABC value is 111, that means output selected I7, then this should come as D bar, so that 14 will come into this min term. So D bar 1, D bar 111, D and D bar. So the correct answer for this problem is, we can match the options. So here in this problem it is asked about the which of the following option give the correct inputs to the pins 0, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So that we represent like this I0, I1 and so on, I7. So in the order. So what will be the value, so that we can represent this function using this 8x1 multiplexer. That option is matches with B option. So correct answer is B. That's all. Thank you.